would like to welcome Fareed Al Maimany from Saudi Arabia as being part of AQ Snooker family. Now he is a certified snooker coach by AQ Snooker, and he's going to help his young students in coming days and coming years to promote and establish snooker within Saudi Arabia. So let's see what he's going to say about few words about his coaching and his certification.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أصدقاء سنوكر. معكم فريد الميمني من المملكة العربية السعودية. لقد شاركت من فترة في برنامج شهادة AQ سنوكر، ونجحت فيه بشهادة تدريب موثقة لتعليم أساسيات السنوكر، حيث يمكنني تدريب الناشئين والكبار وتطوير مهاراتهم في اللعب. لذلك أود أن أشكر الأستاذ أرشد قريشي على جهده وتدريباته لوجود الفرص لتنمية مهارات الشباب في هذا المجال الرياضي.
AQ Snooker personally wishes Fareed Al Maimany from Saudi Arabia best wishes for his successful snooker coaching career in Saudi Arabia and rest of the world. So if you guys have experience of playing snooker and you think you can do something for your area, your city, your country, you can contact me from any part of the world and become a certified snooker coach. With this certification, you will not only enhance your personal snooker skills, but you will be able to help any related academy or your own personal snooker coaching academy in your city, in your country. So send a WhatsApp message now and be part of AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program Vision 2032.